Heyflow natively integrates with more than 50 popular tools. In this video, we'll show you how to connect Heyflow with Google Sheets to automatically track every new lead without manual exports. Let's get started. Before setting up any integration, you need to name your import block using system labels. These labels tell Heyflow how to identify each piece of data when it's sent to your integration. Click on an input block to open its settings. Scroll down to the Labels and Variables section and enter a clear descriptive label. Do this for every field you want to pass to your integration. Now, head to the Connect tab and find Google Sheets under Response Handlers. Click Add Account. You'll be prompted to log into Google in a new window. Sign in with your Google credentials and select your sub-account. Next, choose your spreadsheet. A pop-up will show all available spreadsheets in your account. Keep in mind, you need to be the owner or an editor to select one. Then pick the specific sheet or tab inside that spreadsheet. When you're done, click Connect. From now on, every submission will instantly create a new row in Google Sheets, ready for analysis, reporting, or sharing with your team. You can manage all your connected accounts in one place. Go to the Integration section in your account settings. There you can see which funnels are using each integration, reconnect an account if authentication has expired, or remove an account entirely to stop all data transfers. Congratulations! Now you know how to connect Heyflow with Google Sheets to track your leads automatically. Thank you for your time. Learn more about Heyflow in other videos or check out our Help Center. Happy building!